Listen up, you guy. I'm Chris Noll, callsign Bishop, BP Company's Operation Command. Today, I'll be teaching you how to use the anti-radiation missiles on the A-18C Hornet. When you're ready, press spacebar to continue. AGM-88 Hornet is a long-range supersonic air-to-ground missile dedicated for seed or dead operations. Once anti-air units lose their radar, they are no more than blindfolded scrapmetal. To use HARM, you first need to get in air-to-ground mode. Press the highlighted AG button to activate air-to-ground mode. When you activate air-to-ground mode, the left screen, left DDI, will enter Weapon Display Page SMS. The right screen will enter AG Radar page. Knowing that these two screens are identical, you can choose what page is displayed on the two screens anytime at your convenience. We will mainly be using the left screen or left DDI today. Press spacebar to continue. Your jet currently has 4 AGM-88 HARM missiles. To make you a better pilot, we choose to have no limitation on ammunitions today. You can launch as many missiles as you want. It's totally fine that we can reload you in midair. Relax. Press spacebar to continue. Like any other air-to-ground weapon, you first need to choose the weapon on the SMS page. Press HARM button on the top left of the left DDI to select AGM-88 missile. If you want, you can press the button again to cancel selection, but just leave it selected for now. Press the highlighted button on the left DDI HARM to activate the missile. Good job! You can see that the left DDI becoming an aiming window for the AGM-88 HARM. The two buttons on the top left corner can change the attack mode of HARM missiles. SP is for self-protection. Today, we'll be using TOO, or Target of Opportunity mode. This will give a missile a more precise solution to a known threat. Press the highlighted button next to TOO. Hey, but there's nothing on the screen, you may ask. That's normal. The missile needs first detect radiation signals to attack, which means it can only see enemy anti-air unit when they have radar turned on. The middle cross is the center aiming point of the HARM missile. Press spacebar to continue. The STA mark on the top left of the left DDI is showing which station is currently selected. Station 8, the furthest right station, is selected on default. You can use the highlighted step button to switch between different stations. Press spacebar to continue. I have activated one of the radars. You should see an S at the highlighted position on the left DDI. S is a symbol for search radar. This is not our target, since it is not an active threat to us. You can also see a square on this symbol, meaning HARM currently selects this target. You will also see a square on your HUD, marking its approximate position. This way, you can easily identify the radar's position by looking at your HUD. Press spacebar to continue. Another radar has been activated on the left of the previous S symbol. You can see an 8 symbol on the highlighted square. This indicates an SA-8 SAM launcher. It is a short-range anti-air system. This is our mission target, but it has yet to be selected. The RWR, or a radar warning receiver, can identify radar types. It helps you to filter out the real threat to your plane. You can go ask Max for more information after this training. Press spacebar to continue. You need to first select A as the target on the HARM display. First is to have whole task controls on the left DDI. Press sensor control switch left to set left DDI as the whole task control switch. After successfully giving control, a small diamond should appear at the upper right corner of the left DDI. If you see the diamond, press spacebar to continue. You can switch between two targets by pressing the ray flare on the throttle. Select the SA-8 radar as the target and press spacebar to continue. After selecting the target, press cage on the throttle to lock on. An edge off will be displayed under the target square if it is locked. If you locked a wrong target, press cage on to unlock and switch to the correct target. Now, lock the SA-8 radar and press spacebar to continue. You can only lock on the targets in front of you using TOO mode. Steer the plane toward the target once you have detected one. You will find this private tip from me quite useful once you have control to the jet later. Now you have locked on the SA-8 radar. Press weapon release to launch the missile. Missile is en route to its target. You may have noticed that there is no range information or mean range in zone symbol on HARM. It is because that AGM-88 HARM cannot measure distance to the target. But no worries, it has very good range and sometimes reach targets further than 70 miles away. The faster and higher you are, the longer its range is. Press spacebar. Missile is approaching the target. You can press F6 on keyboard to wheel its path. It's a classified technology from the Ural Tartars Republic. Don't ask me. Missile hit. Nice job. Great job, new guy. You got the first target. I will now activate the other SA-8 if you're ready. It will be to the left side of the search radar. Press spacebar when you are ready. New target is activated. Show me what you have learned, boy. Mark them. Missile is en route to its target. You got both of them. I'm honestly impressed. Now it's your free practice time. There will be a complete set of anti-air systems around Waypoint 2. Go and destroy them for me. Press spacebar once you are ready to go. You will then have control to the jet.